ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can sing the numbers. I can sing the numbers.
How about you say your numbers?
I want to say my numbers.
Well, it was your idea.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 18, 19, 18.
You're repeating the same number now. That's good, though, baby. You smart boy.
14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18, 19, 18.
What comes after 19? 20.
No, 20. What is the number?
I love you.
What is the average the number?
Hmm?
The average the number I can think.
Say bye-bye.
What's it making?
Oh, that's a cute look, baby.